What do you think is the number one reason people with six-figure salaries are living paycheck to paycheck? It's not what you think. I came from poverty. I know what it feels like. Here's what shocked me when I started making real money. I was still broke. It wasn't until I understood how money actually metabolizes through your life that everything changed. Here's the trap. You get a raise, you feel richer, so you spend more. New car, bigger apartment, better restaurants. Your income went up 20%. Your spending went up 25%. You are actually poorer than before the raise. This is called lifestyle creep. And it is the number one reason why high earners stay broke. The average American making $75,000 a year has less than $1,000 in savings. Let that sink in. The average American carries $6,500 in credit card debt, 25% interest, paying minimums. That's 20 years of payments. You're not buying things, you're renting debt. Poor people and middle class people feel like everything is expensive because they pay for things with money that they've exchanged their time for. Wealthy people pay for things according to their creativity, their assets, their investments, their systems. Now, here's where it gets interesting, because the next trap is what keeps even smart people broke for decades. Everyone tells you to use the debt snowball. Pay the smallest balance first. Psychologically, it feels good, but mathematically, you're bleeding interest on your biggest debt the whole time. Now, let me tell you about the metabolic approach. You attack the highest metabolic rate first. That means credit cards before student loans, 24% debt before 6% debt. This isn't about feelings. It's about stopping the bleeding. That's how you pay off debt 3 times faster without making more money. Tell me, which one of these traps hit closest to home to you? The raise trap, the credit card trap, or the debt payoff lie? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Once you stop bleeding, the game changes. You are no longer playing defense. You are now building. And the single most powerful tool, compound interest. The average salary in America is $52,000. And if you put aside 10% of what you get paid, that's about $430 a month. By the time you're 65, you have $1.2 million. Nobody teaches them that. They teach young people geography, math, reading, sex ed, but they don't teach them about investing. I lay out every single step, the payoff sequence, the wealth building order, the exact numbers in my free debt elimination blueprint. It's the system I use to lift my entire family out of poverty. Join the free Metabolic Millionaire community. Link below. Get the blueprint. Start today. Because the difference between staying broke and building wealth isn't how much money you make. It's what you do with what you make.